Today the topic of discussion is in doubly linked list. We'll study how to delete a node in beginning at beginning. No, starting node. How to delete a starting node. So prior to this, what we have seen how to create doubly linked list and menu program of doubly linked list. And then we have seen how to print element of doubly linked list. Then we have discussed how to insert node in doubly linked list, and we have seen three videos on that. That is how to insert a node at beginning, how to insert a node at any position that is other than beginning and how to insert a node at end. And now we'll discuss these three cases of delete beginning, delete end, and delete middle in doubly linked list. Fine. So let's start with delete beginning function. So if I talk about doubly linked list menu, we have a menu something like this. We have already seen this menu many times, but let's go and see in a faster way. So we have in a main function, we have created a variable, integer variable ch. While one means what? Condition always true. Condition always Condition always true means what? If you put anything inside while other than 0, 100, 400, 1, 2, whatever it is, that will become always 0. That will always become true. Now you have a plenty of option. That is, if you press 1, you can create, 2 for print, 3 for insert, 4 for delete, 5 for exit. Enter your choice. What do you want to do? Suppose I want to delete, because I've already did all these things. Now my job is to delete node. So I'll press 4. The moment I press 4, ch will have value 4, switch will have value 4, and in case we'll jump to case 4. In case 4 we are calling a function, what? Del function. So let's move to del function. So we have a del function now, and in del also you have plenty of option. That is, if you go to a restaurant, if you ask for a chicken, if you ask for a chicken, you have multiple option in chicken also: roasted chicken, gravy chicken, fried chicken, whatever you want. So if you want to delete, then what you want to do? Delete from the beginning, you press 1. Delete from the middle, you press 2. Delete from the end, you press 3. What do you want? But since I want delete from the beginning, that is, I want to delete the first node of this doubly linked list, I'll press 1. So ch will have 1, switch will have 1. I'll jump to the case 1, and in case 1 I'm calling a del back function. I'm calling. So you have a linked list. If you delete this node, first node, what will happen? What changes will take place? This head will come here, fine, and this place will have null value, because this now this particular node is not having any node prior to this node or before this node, so this will have null value. So only these changes will take place. So hope you have understood the coding. Before showing the coding, hope you have understood the coding. Let's see the coding. So it's a very small coding. So in del back function we have created a pointer and we have initialized with head, and the data type of this is node 1. What is node 1? So actually, if you see, when we have created doubly linked list, we have created a structure named node. There are three parts: one data, which is of integer type, and two pointers, one next and previous, to keep the address of next node and previous node. And we have created a variable of this structure, which is node 1, and we have type defined this structure. Means that this node 1 is now representing the entire structure. So wherever I'm using node 1, if you will not use type def, then you have to use struct node. Suppose I'm not using type def, then I cannot use node 1. I have to use struct node. Fine. So in order to simplify the code, I have used this type def. So I have created a pointer ptr and initialized with head. So what is head? So you have a head is having 100, so ptr is also having 100. So now ptr and head both are standing at the same node, having value 4. Fine. Okay, now what I have to do? Head will have head next, head will move ahead. What is head next? 200. So head will come here. Fine, because head will have head next, head will come here. Fine. Head previous will have null. I have told you before, because this node is now deleting, so head previous will have, instead of 100, will have null. So this will have null, so this connectivity will get broken. Now I will print in screen deleted element is %d, and in %d I'll print ptr data. What is ptr data for? So in screen I'll see that, in output screen I'll see that deleted element is 4, and it will look very nice. I'll feel very good. Yes, 4 was the element which I want to delete. Then I've used this dynamic memory allocation free function. Free, what free do? Delete the memory. No, delete the memory. So ptr, free ptr means it will, since ptr is representing this node, so it will delete the memory structure from the memory. So what will happen actually? So now node will now linked list will have now doubly linked list will have three nodes where head is now pointing to node having value 5 and prior to this is null, and there will remain only three nodes. Fine. So I've tried my level best to explain you what delete at beginning is all about. So hope you've understood what delete at beginning is. So let's move further and see other codings. So till then I'll